Hello everyone, good morning. Ooh, it is 9 a.m. It is early, okay. Today I'm going to be doing my favorite wash and go using one product only. What am I doing with my shoulders? I don't know. I'm very excited because this product is the holy grail. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Ring that bell, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look at them shoulders. Look at, okay. I already deep conditioned a few days ago because I did a wash and go. That was a fail. It did not go well, so I didn't really want to deep condition again, so I just have some kinky curly leave-in, and I put some avocado oil up in there, you know what I'm saying, and I just slept on that overnight, I guess to help, I don't know. But yeah, so let me go rinse this out and we can get started with my favorite wash and go. I don't know why I'm dancing this morning. Am I happy? Happy to be alive, y'all. Yes, hey. Oh, my birthday is in 2 days, so maybe that's why. Okay, BRB. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So yeah, I have nothing in my hair right now, so this is how we looking. Hey. So today I am going to be using, like I said before, my favorite product. It made me fall in love with wash and goes. It really just changed my hair for me, you know. It changed the wash and go game for me. Ooh, it's a little messy. All right, so yeah, get a good look at it, y'all. This is the holy grail, and it is the only product that I'm going to be using today. And don't forget, y'all, you're blessed. Ooh, I put this new creamer in my coffee and it is good. Anyways, that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to put my hair in sections first, really quickly. Putting your hair in sections, very important. I haven't used just this in a while because it works so well with other things as well, but you know what, y'all, I trust it. So I'm just gonna get a little piece. I always take bigger pieces in the bag. I'm gonna try to take smaller pieces. It just takes so long. I do not have patience. But so just take a little small piece. Get that thing wet. There you go. It's like this gel type, but it's also soft. It makes my hair feel great and it smells good. So there we go. I'm finger curling this bad boy. Get a closer look of these curls. Yes. I mean, come on. Like, y'all see this? That's what I'm saying. It gets right to it. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't play games. But I'm gonna learn one of these days. So yeah, these are how the curls is looking. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't play. Ooh, my bad. It doesn't play. Alright, so I'm gonna do a few more sections for y'all. Oh, this is too big. That's too big. Okay, I'm bugging. Here we go. Let's take this little piece. But like I said, y'all know the back is already very defined. It's really the front that I need to learn to take smaller pieces. Look! Do y'all see this? I can't do this. I can't. And this product never steers me wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like, doesn't matter what season, it's always there. I mean, what? What? I can't even. This is a different curl pattern than what I just did. My hair has, I don't even know, y'all. There are so many different patterns up in there. All right, so that's a little preview of that. I am going to finish off this section and I'll BRB and show y'all the results. But this is all I'm doing. I'm just spraying hella water, finger combing that bad boy through and through. Okay. First section finished. Y'all, come on, look at that. Do y'all see that? Yes. I need a trim. Please don't. I know my ends are looking crazy. I need a trim, y'all. They need to open the salons back up. But so this is the first section. I mean, come on, very defined, shiny, like come on, let's get a closer look. Ooh, ah. Yeah, so this is what we got. And I finished these sections. Let's get into these curls real quick. Woohoo. Let's get on to this section. Ooh. Ah. Ow. This hair tie out. It's not. Oof. This is how we're looking. Ah. Now we're about to knock this out. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. This is what we're working with, y'all. Ooh, feels a little dry right there. It's def my favorite wash and go to. It just always has my curls looking as defined as possible. Like I said, my hair is really thick and like my curls aren't that defined, but this product always like does its job. So normally I air dry. I ordered a diffuser because if y'all watched my last wash and go, I had a really jank diffuser that I received as a gift. So I ordered one from Amazon, so it is possible I might diffuse, but personally, I don't know, I just like to air dry, you know, while I go run errands and do stuff and everything. So I will come back when it's dry, but yeah, this is what we're working with here. Give you a nice spin view. Oh God, what is in my eye? Ah! Ah! So I hope that this video helps you. Like if you're like me and like a lot of products just don't really work for your hair, like it just doesn't really define the curls how you want it to, y'all try this product. Like it's the only thing in my hair right now. But I gotta get the big boy, okay? So I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope this helps somehow, but get your Uncle Funkies, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Do it. I'll be back later so y'all can see the finale. So this is how my hair looks today. This is the next day. I mean, can we get into this volume? Like, I love this volume. I love like the definition of my curls. Let's see the back really quickly. But the volume is just like crazy, and like it's always like the next day and then like the day after that where my volume just gets bigger and bigger. So you know, we love next day hair. So this is the results from my, where is it? Oh, from my Uncle Funky's gel. This is the only product in my hair right now. There is nothing else, no leave-in, no nothing. So like I say, y'all, it's curly magic and it works magic, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Yeah, so thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you next time.